Wait, hold on. Okay, guys, it's Chase here back with another video, and I won't actually pretty much be in this video because it's pretty short. My friend will be teaching you guys how to use a cast net, and here he is.
Okay, my name is Grant. You know me, I'm Chase's friend. And here is our cast net. Now, some of you are like, why are you showing this? I'm going to be teaching how to use this. So, step one, you want to find the loop here, and you want to put it around your wrist. Step two, bring the line into your hand until you are all the way up.
All the way up.
Step three, you want to lift the ring up here and put it in your right hand, if you're a righty. Step four, grab a part of the net and put it in your right hand. Step five, grab another part of the net and put it in your left hand. And step six is to lift the net up. Step seven, you want to turn like this. Step eight, you turn and let it all go. And you may not catch
anything.
Wait. You may not catch something every try, but
No, you should try in the shallow.
well, you will succeed if you try.
No, you should try in the shallow, Grant.
Let's see if we got anything. Wait, hold on. Here, we're gonna do one more cast in the shallows.
Oh, I got one.
Oh, we got a fish!
You got a fish. You got a fish.
We got a bluegill. Wait, should we catch a bass?
Yeah.
Wait, keep them in the water. We're gonna use them for a bass.
Wait. I want to see.
So this is the first bluegill of the day.
Here, wait, I'm gonna
Really good bait for really
Wait,
good
wait. You get the bass rod.
Here, no, record me. Here, can you record me?
Get the bass rod.
No.
No,
Here,
go
here.
get the bass rod.
No,
Chase
I
the
can't.
bass rod.
No, you get it.
No, because I'm filming.
No, I'm filming.
Let's chase them.
Because it's my phone.
I caught the bait.
No.
Okay, I'll catch the bass.
No, I'm catching the bass.
No, then you get the rod.
Yeah.
Fine. I'll keep the bluegill away from the basses. Here. Hurry.
Okay, guys. It's our first bluegill of the day.
We're going to use them for bass bait. This thing is golden.
Yeah.
Hopefully it doesn't get eaten by a bass right now. That would be really bad.
And the rod will probably break.
Yeah, but I mean, if we do, that'd be...
Yeah, so, guys, I'm just at my neighbor's house.
Yeah,
If you can see, there's my house over there. There's my house over there. You can't see it. There you go. They also have a basketball court.
Okay, so we are about to hook up the bluegill. Here, let me teach you how to hook it up. So step one, make sure you have a rag from...
Because the slime will really hurt your eyes if you rub your eyes after you touch them.
Yeah, so if you do touch them,
And they
make sure to
also,
wash your hands.
and they've spikes.
So you want to take the hook out, and then when you put you want to use a shiner hook. You put it through the lips, through the bottom lip, and through the top, and there you go. Now your bait is golden to catch a largemouth bass.
Okay, wait, can you record me bait fishing?
Yeah.
Okay, so guys, I'm gonna bait fish him. My friend Grant here is gonna record me.
Heyo. Okay.
Hold on.
Okay, so now we got Chase up to bait fish. He's got to catch a bigger fish.
Over here, I see the big fish over here.
Oh, okay, so it looks like we got some attention from the other bait fish. Now, if a bass comes along,
He's got a big mouth builder.
so if you don't know, largemouth bass have monster mouths. They can fit, probably about a third of the size of their own weight in their body.
Okay, come on, you gotta record me.
So, in the meantime, while we wait for a bass to eat his bluegill, we're going to be filming Chase catching some bait.
Wait, where did you see that bluegill, bro?
Just leave it down.
Let it go down. Let it go down.
That and
If we don't get a bass, we could use the bluegill clip. And the cast net. As I said, these bluegills here are massive. Comedy. He's going underneath it. Now you see, our dock is a bit old. Oh, I see a bluegill. I see. Oh, not yet. Not yet. It doesn't have it. What? Wait, it's slack. What's wrong? What are you doing, genius?
What? Going.
Oh! Oh, wait.
Sorry I let you got down, guys, but it was just weed.
Boo! Boo! Why? Oh my God! He's got a monster! Oh! Oh! Here, let's get a close up of this. We just caught a monster bluegill.
Let's go, boys.
As you see, this thing looks like a piranha. Oh, wow. This is a monster. Here, let me show you how big it is. Wait, hold it in your hand. Look, that is like a half a pound bluegill.
Yeah,
I told you there were monsters in here. And this is just...
We haven't even caught one of the big ones in a long time.
Yeah, it's... the fish
It's pretty rare.
They're pretty rare, but there are a lot here. Here. Hold the camera. Okay. Here's a...
Yeah, sorry, guys.
Wait, give me the camera. Give me the...
Here he is. Just gonna unhook him, guys.
Yep, and there we go.
There we go.
Look,
Here, toss him in the water. Toss him in the water.
So look,
Here,
this
guys,
is
watch.
the size of our bluegill. Like, get a close up. Okay, and you just let him go.
Chase,
Woo! There we go.
we switched. Now you take
Yeah.
No, I don't want to take the bass.
No, but I gotta bait.
Chase, if you catch a bass, you'll look like a legend.
I got a bait fish too. Cause we're having.
No, you already have bait. Don't waste your bait.
No, but we're switching every time.
Yeah.
I don't want to use the bass rod.
No, but we have.
No. You use the bass rod.
We already.
But if you hook a bass, you'll look like a legend.
Yeah.
No, but I already said we're having a bait fish competition.
No, but
Okay.
but you already put it on the hook.
Wait, hold on.
I never put it on the hook.
Yeah. Wait, hold on.
Chase, it's my rod.
Hold on. Wait, hold on.
Hold on.
Cut the camera.
Wait, why did you cut it?
No, I didn't cut it. It's still recording. It's just you're gonna cut off the scene right now.
You have to.
No, keep recording.
I know, but I
Okay,
don't.
Guys, I'm gonna bait fish, guys.
Yeah.
See if I can catch
No.
a monster.
Man, stop the camera.
No, stop.
I'm not gonna stop the
Stop.
camera.
We
but-
have to switch.
No, you can't tell me what my camera does.
You have my rod.
Okay, I'm gonna have to make a decision. Rock, paper, scissors for who does what. You win, Chase. You keep on bait fishing. Blaze uses the bass rod.
No, but I already said.
Rock, paper, scissors. No, you keep your hand. You just do rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
First one, 3.
Yeah.
No, one.
First one to win.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
He saw
I
me.
won.
No, he didn't. I recorded it. It's okay. So
Okay.
sorry for a bit of a hold up.
Guys, I'm gonna be doing some bait fishing.
Yeah, Chase will continue bait fishing while Blaze tries to catch a bass. Here.
No, you gotta fish over there.
No.
This is where my
No, this is where he caught the monster. We need good quality fish.
Yeah, he
For-
was under there.
You gotta say catching monster bluegills and bass underneath dock. If we catch that triggerfish, our video will go viral.
What's triggerfish?
I mean, not the triggerfish, the Oscar fish.
You mean snakehead?
No, it wasn't a snakehead. It's an Oscar fish. Oh yeah. So if you don't know, there was a fish we caught that I caught that wasn't caught on camera. It's called an Oscar fish. They're from aquariums.
They're very dangerous to the environment.
They are not supposed to be here. They are black and red. They're like black colored and red stripes. They look like a monster bluegill. And we are on Lake Butler, which is the crazy part. Lake Butler looks like such a clear spot. And we're gonna go back to chase. Oh, we got a monster. Here, let it go down a bit more. Oh, we lost him.
We switch now.
No, we don't switch ever. You keep that bluegill. Yeah, Blaze. And then we could.
No, it's until you lose your bait.
No, you got one more try.
Oh, chase. I see a bluegill. Oh, Chase, they're underneath there. Do you see him?
Until you lose your bait.
Underneath that side of the door.
How do I lose my bait?
No, it's until you lose your bait.
Yeah.
Oh shit, we got a turtle.
I'm gonna eat him.
Turtle's taking the show. You see him?
See it? He's trying to get views.
It's a painted turtle. He's stealing the show now. Everyone's like, oh, it's a turtle. But be careful. You do not want to hook these things. They are a mess to deal with. And trust me, I myself,
They got teeth too.
they got snappers. You could lose your finger.
I caught one of those guys in a net.
Yeah, I suggest not doing that. Warning, do not do this at home because you could hurt yourself or someone else. Fishing is fine. You can fish.
Don't fish for the turtles though.
Yeah, unless you're a professional at the game.
I want to fish for that turtle skin.
Chase, you know Mr. Beast, he gave $10,000 to people with only 2 videos with only 1 view. Wait, what are you doing?
Dude, what if we get $10,000?
I mean, we could for Mr. Beast if we live stream and we only have 1 view. He did that in a video. Oh, you got him! Oh! That is
Big one too.
a jumbo.
Whoa.
I know what you're thinking. It's a little bluegill. But this is not little. This here is a 10-pounder. This is what the 10-pounders eat. Now, I suggest not using this unless you know there's a 10-pounder close by. But
10-pound bass, not bluegill.
yeah, not bluegill. Although I am not sure if they're cannibals or not. And I'm not sure what Blaze is doing. How do you feel right now about your chances of catching a bass? Say good.
I feel pretty good because I have a live bait on.
Yeah.
So I feel really good.
Okay, you heard it here first.
And
Blaze
that's
feels
bait.
pretty good. His chances.
Here, Grant, I need help. Wait, I got it.
Okay. Wait, hold on. One more clip of the blue. You see, it's a monster. Oh, that looks amazing.
Okay,
It's a
guys,
monster.
ready? Watch.
Watch. Ready? Magic. There he goes. Let's go.
No, switch because I'm not doing anything. On this.
Yeah.
Yes, you are.
No. Chase, next bluegill, we switch. He switches.
And then I get press play.
And you get 3. Alright, 4 bluegills each. Okay.
Yeah, but it's not big.
I know, but see, there's no point if Blaze doesn't get any glory.
No.
Unless
If he
he.
catches a bass, he'll
I mean, but.
Exactly. So what if I don't?
Oh, wait, what was that? Here, let's look at his rod right now. I think your bluegill's sitting on the bottom.
Yeah.
Okay, Grant, come on.
Okay, here we are. We're back to Chase. Now, trust me, we're just waiting for the bass to bite because they are not as frequent as these bluegills. Oh. These bluegills, they're sometimes a bit shy. Oh, shoot, we got a turtle. You may not see him on the camera, but the danger is very real.
You guys do not want to catch one of these things.
You do not want to get entangled because they will turn from nice, innocent turtle to mean.
Okay, he's dead.
No, he's not. You've killed him.
You can still use him.
Let me.
Bass will still.
Oh wait, it's my turn. You just lost your bait.
No, he gets a third fish.
What?
Until he gets 3 fish, then you get free. So let's take a close up on Blaze.
Hi.
Oh, yeah. That's all he got to say. It's
on the
amazing
bottom.
that we're making a YouTube video. Okay. Here. Let me show. Here, let me make a secret bait for you. Here, let me show you. Wait, no, don't use that. Don't use that.
No, it's good.
I got a secret bait.
It's little. It's good.
Now, I'll use the secret bait for next one.
I'm gonna make a high catch bluegill. And I can't.
Blaze, it doesn't matter if your bluegill's not dead. Even if your bluegill's dead, we're still gonna. Here. Oh, okay. Ooh. I just saw him. He came right up to it. Ooh. Oh. I think these bluegills are starting to get a bit aggressive. Oh yeah, catching bluegills are fun. This is safety approved. Anyone can do this. Child, little kid, it's fun to do for the children of all or adults.
Yeah, if you're like 4 years old.
Oh yeah, I would not suggest eating these.
Yeah.
Not the best eating.
Yeah, do not eat out of lakes.
I'm
not trying to be mean if you guys
don't eat.
out of lake.
Well, no, it's okay to have stuff like salmon and trout,
Yeah.
but don't have bluegills.
Yeah, I love
They're
salmon.
disgusting.
Yeah, bluegills.
Anything in this lake, in Lake Butler, I wouldn't consider edible. Except we have tilapias here. Tilapias are one of the best eating. So do not just start to rage on me. Oh no, the tilapias are one of the best eating. How could you say they're not good? I've corrected myself before you rage in the comments. Okay, back to the fishing. Yeah, okay, we're switching roles. Blaze is up.
What are the odds of me catching one right when I give you the bait?
Move the rod. Wait, Chase. Place it over here.
No.
Over here. Place it right there because we may get a gar.
Okay, so guys,
He's trying to catch whatever he can. Mudfish, gar, bass. You may know mudfish.
literally, what are the odds of me catching one right now?
I don't know. Depends if the fish bite. The odds. Wait, don't do that. Chase, just. No, don't reel him in. Chase, Chase, just keep it. Just keep it, Chase. No, he's gonna get tangled. Reel. Jeez, wait, Chase, keep him right here. That's where you keep him.
So we are apparently switching because.
For obvious reasons. No, Chase, do not set the hook. Chase, stop.
I had a gar on, dude.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did. Then why did I see the line pulling out?
That's the bluegill.
No, it was going way faster.
No, just keep it like that until you feel tension.
Okay, so
Chase, we'll lose viewers if we get false set hooks. Because then...
Oh, just to let you know, if you guys subscribe to this video, I will swim halfway across the lake.
I don't think it's going to happen, but 100 subscribers.
No. 1,000 subscribers to this video, I will swim halfway across the lake.
You heard it here first. 1,000 subscribers to swim halfway across the lake. Now look at how long this lake is. Swimming halfway is ridiculous. Are you gonna swim or paddle?
Paddle.
Paddle and then okay. So he's gonna.
Swim with you, Blaze.
Blake, Chase, stop with the bluegill. Keep the bluegill on the spot. No, Chase.
Hi guys.
You're no.
You're gonna record me.
I can't record. No, I gotta record you when you got a fish. Okay, the bluegills are starting to play a little bit of a scaredy cat. Don't care about the wasp. We gotta get the fish. Oh, as you see right here, this is our painted turtle. A lot bigger than our bluegills. You do not want to mess with these things.
No, you don't want to mess with snapping turtles or soft shells.
Yeah, you don't want to mess with turtles in general, unless they're like baby turtles and you want to.
Those are really and tortoise. Okay, just anything that does.
Wait, we could do a video with our dogs. Oh, we could do a video with all our pets. That's the next video we're doing in our last. Should we cut it?
The video?
Yeah, should we end it?
No, let me catch one more.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
Wait, hold on. Place right here. Right here.
Let me have my phone.
Okay.
No.
Okay.
Rod there for bass takes it.
Yeah, Chase, what are you doing? Get the rod. Get the rod. Get the rod. You do not leave a rod. A bass. Wait, do we have some? Oh, we lost a monster. You saw it. I'm not sure if it got on camera, but we had a monster. Okay, let's call it.
No, Chip. Yeah. Let me catch one more.
Let me have it.
No, Chip.
Wait, no.
Here.
No, we gotta wait until Blaze catches. Blaze, your bread.
I still see it.
Oh. We just gotta wait until he catches one. Then we can cut the cameras.
No, cut it.
No, you can't
No,
make it
it's
up
too
without
long.
you.
No, it's too long. Cut it.
We're gonna cut some pieces out.
No, we gotta cut it.
We're gonna cut it at 25 minutes. No, 25 minutes. We cut it.
Come on, we gotta cut it.
No, 25 minutes. We cut at 25 minutes.
Just catching bluegill.
Yeah,
It's
we
on YouTube,
cut it.
And these are my rods.
but it's not your YouTube.
Oh wait, feed it to the turtle.
Did he eat it?
I mean, he may. I don't know.
Wait, can I actually catch the turtle?
No,
No.
don't. Just feed it to him for views.
Mess with them.
I can net him.
No, we're not netting him. We are not netting him.
I did it at my house.
Yeah, well,
I
you're
got him out of the net and I just
here.
brought back in.
Here, let's throw the bluegill back. Okay. Blaze.
We're ending it right.
No, we got Blaze. You got one more minute. The final countdown. Da, 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 da. Yeah, I mean, it's okay if.
You guys want to edit it?
I mean, you're gonna have a bit more time editing it.
I can edit it later.
Yeah, you can edit it later, but I mean, Chase, you can. And there goes our bluegill, who, I mean, seems. Oh, Blaze! There's bluegills everywhere around it.
How much minutes has it been?
24. One more minute.
You got 50 more seconds. Or 40 seconds.
Yeah.
Or until I lose this piece of bread.
Nope, you have until.
Can I record him?
No. Okay, just make sure you get that. No, just make sure you get it on the rod. The rod. The rod is what counts, that bend. Oh, wait. Chase. Wait, no, we got a turkey vulture. Okay, so look, if you look up in the tree very carefully,
No, zoom in. You can zoom
A vulture.
Here, I'll zoom in.
Oh, wait, you can zoom in. So, zoom in on the vulture. No, wait, wrong tree. Other tree. No, it's not. Right there, that tree.
You guys
So you see the tree.
Yeah.
You see the vulture.
Oh, wait, your time is up.
Okay, that's it. Cut
Bye,
it.
guys.
See you later.
Peace out.